First lane of the day. Dave is in his new lifted kit truck, which is absolutely massive. Why do I do this? Oh, stopped raining for a second. For that beast. More rain, just what we need. Well, it was nice weather until we got to this lane. You can't see him, but behind that car, Dave's having a tinkle. Right there somewhere. Oh, nope. No unsafe content today, I'm afraid. Subscribe to OnlyFans for more. Shit's getting serious. Dave's letting tyre out. He's a real adventurer. I mean, look at this massive bastard now with its lift kit. I could practically get my head in there. Also, Paddy! Come mate! Uh-oh. He's going to bite me. Nom 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 nom. Good boy. He's a good puppy. He's a good puppy dog. Into the clouds. So Dave's got a bet on that we'll get to the pub at the end of all these lanes before 12. So I'm just accidentally going a bit slower. Don't tell him though. Some of these are a bit tight. Yeah. Well, it's still very windy and we're heading into them there clouds. Oop. Safe. He's made it. It's puddle time. Dave's sorting the gate out. Oh, he's got his camera on. Hi, Paddy. Patrick. Does he listen to me on the radio or does he not? Favourite river crossing. It's also windy eyes. I'll just put the phone into the water. Like a pro. Bye bye bike friends. You're out on that side. Yeah, no, go on, just stay straight. We're almost at the pub. Almost at the pub. It's just down that valley somewhere. The pub is in sight. Repeat, the pub is not in sight because my camera's blurred. Thanks, mate. Pub! Pub! Actually has water in it for once. I've never seen it with water in.
No, sorry, I've seen it with water, but not flowing.
No, yeah. It's in puddles, but not an actual river. Hi, sheep. Don't look at me like that. I'll have you. What a view.